Hi everyone, and welcome back to ICP DAS USA's YouTube channel. Today we will be walking through a quick start guide for the NS-205. An introduction to this device we will be referring to today. It has 5 Ethernet switch ports. It can connect 5 workstations and automatically switches the transmission speed for corresponding connections. The flow control mechanism is also negotiated. And LEDs embedded in RJ45 jacks make for easy monitoring. LED functions. Standard RJ45 female connectors are provided. A standard RJ45 plug cable is all that is necessary to connect your device to the unit, since the switch that supports auto crossover. Table 1 shows the LED indicator functions. The module includes an internal Ethernet wiring. When making a connection to another device using straight through UTP cable, make sure that the MDIX to MDI connection rule is followed. The following figure illustrates the pin assignments of a straight through UTP and a crossover UTP cable. This figure shows the RJ45 to RJ45 Ethernet wiring as the straight type and cross type. Checking power. Since the NS-205 consumes 2.4 watts, ensure that your power supply is able to meet this demand. The input voltage range is 10 to 30 VDC. External power supply is connected using the removable terminal block as shown below. Once you've got the proper functions, wiring, and power source confirmed, you have successfully completed the setup for this device. If you have any more questions about this device setup or interested in more products we have to offer, please feel free to reach out to us via phone, email, or directly through our website. We'd love to hear from you. Well, that's it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this video if you have any questions, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.